Hello guys, today this is gonna be a video of a trunk button not working. When you do this, nothing happens. Well, sometimes it's the button, sometimes there's a fuse. But it's very rare there is a fuse. It's more likely the button or the latch on your car. And nothing happens. Mostly it's right here because it's trying to do it. You see, not even with the remote control, it's doing it. So most likely it's right here. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this. Okay, I can open it up the trunk with the key. See, but most likely the wagons are the one with this problem. You're just gonna use probably a flashlight if it's dark, a welder just in case. You never know. Multimeter, a test light, drill if you have some. A pry bar or a clip pry thing, I don't know. Little tool, you know, for like all kinds of little different kinds. All this right here is extra, but we definitely gonna use the multimeter and the test light just in case. So here we go. So first, we're gonna open this latch and do this. We're gonna concentrate on this too. We're gonna have to remove this. This is the problem. Be able to see, but we need to pry that plastic. Take them out. Then you can first, before all that, there's a Phillips screw under the plastic piece on the cover. You need to remove that. Oh, don't lose the screws. Put them up here if you want to. There you go. So we just removed those screws. There's screws behind here. You're not gonna be able to see. But there's a hole for this screw in there. You can see there's another one back here. Oh, this one you can see it clearly. So there you go. You keep going. So since we already got that out, now we can pry that plastic piece out with no problem. Just make sure you don't snap anything. You will be fine. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's harder. But here she is. The whole piece, the whole plastic piece. It's out or baby. I don't know if that will happen, but I'm gonna try. Okay. Now, we're gonna have to use the flashlight because it's like. Of course, the battery is good. I don't know if that's a lot of light for you guys. You see? It's okay. It's alright. So there you go. Will you be able to see that actually or not? I guess not. There you go. Now, we're gonna have to use a what is this? T25? Yeah, T25. See, tool, the T25, and we're gonna have to come here closer because there's a screw right in here. I don't know if you. There's 3 screws. See this? 3 screws. Like that. So we're gonna have to remove all those 3 screws. Okay. We have 1, 2, and 3. So you'll see a closer look. I removed those screws behind that. Only on your wagon. In the wagon you will see this. Jetta has them, but it's in a different way or position. There you go. Now we're gonna remove this clip right here. This clip. Okay. That being said, already removed the clip from this piece, and you can go ahead and remove this. This is easy, so you can go ahead and sit him right here. So that piece is loose, you can see. You can push in, but hold on. We need to unhook these 2 cables. Unhook them from here. There you go, 1 hand. And you also need to do this too. Oops, sorry about that. There you go. Both one. So now, see, we're gonna pull this piece out. You don't have to. No, never mind. Yeah, you do have to do it. So there it is. This piece is out. I'm gonna show you another job we're gonna do with that thing. But hold on. Now the other piece has 2 screws. There's one right here. One right here. It's a T25 as well. That is for the switch for this whole big piece right here. So okay, so since we unhooked that back there, just try to pry the corner one side. This only comes out one way. See, this size first, and then you unhook it from that. You see, I show you why, because there's a sensor right here, a switch. This is the problem. Okay, I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay, so we're gonna work here. What we're gonna do is put the multimeter here, those 2 terminals, and we'll be able to see if this thing clicks or no. I'm sorry. There are little technical problems here, but nothing that we cannot solve. Okay, so we're good now. So we're gonna put the multimeter into the beep mode. Beep or just signal. There you go. Mine, it doesn't sound because it's old, but you can see it's reading. See, 0. Okay. Now we're gonna have to watch the screen on that thing. Why this thing it doesn't work? So we're gonna plug both ends. Now we're gonna apply the pressure here. Nothing happens. There's a click button right here and it's not working. So now, since we can leave that in there, and you see this little corner has a little metal piece. Try to click it manually. Okay, we're gonna do it manually. Not working. Not working, but you need to hold this together tight. See? Oh, there you go. We got it working now. See? We got them working. So we're gonna concentrate into this piece. Let me see. There you go. There's a click right here. That click button gets stuck, and it's not making the his job. Look, when I press here, it's not doing anything. It's barely moving. So we're gonna have to work on this. Just look. Okay, bear with me. I was inspecting this and I noticed there's quite a few dirt behind the click button. See? And it's not allowing the piece to go back like it should, you see? There's like chunks in there that keeps coming out. And that it's not allowing the piece to go back because it's full of dirt. So that it's not helping the return. And maybe, no, this one is clean, this side is clean, but this right here is the one with the problem, because the switch we can hear it's working. So we're gonna try to clean here and I'll be right back. Bear with me. Quick tip, there's a clip behind this piece, the sensor or the switch. You can just go up and it will come up easy. So now we're gonna work on the switch, trying to get him out little by little, easy. Don't snap those two clips that holds us together. So now we're able to like see how much dirt is behind that. Look at this, it's clicking. So that's what we need. I'm back. I cleaned the surface on this thing. I cleaned it real good. I don't know if you can see it, but look, I even bended the little metal piece so it's more sensitive to the touch. See, I'm barely touching it, and it clicks. And behind here, there's a rubber piece. This rubber piece, it goes behind so it makes the springy. So it's working. And I also, like I said, bend this little piece a little, lift them up and then down, so it's like more sensitive. I don't have to press it hard. Any corner will click. See? Okay, so we good on that part. I'm gonna put it back together. But before that, we're gonna have to check if it's conducting. Check my multimeter. At 0 or 1 right now. Check it out. Yeah, there you go. It's working. Pretty good. Sometimes I don't do the connection right here. I haven't connected right, so let's see now. There you go. Working. So okay, be good on that part. So check it out, guys. That's it. That's all your problem right here. Dirt in there. You guys saw. I mean, I cleaned this little corner piece, and I also bent this little. I cheat, honestly. I cheat, but I did clean it and put some grease and oil in this hinges. Put a little down here too, so it kind of like slides better. Check it out. So this is all your problem. Just need it clean. That's it. It's not your button or whatever, or maybe it is. I don't know. But guys, I will admit it. This thing sounds amazing. Watch. Wow. I'll be so happy. That sounds good. You can see. So now we're gonna press this on the button. I don't know if you can see, but look. Okay, it's ready. See? Good. It's working. Now we're gonna have to put all this together. Hold on. I got a surprise for you guys. Something that I willing to do long time ago. So bear with me. Okay, all done. So that is my surprise. I delete the BW emblem. So there is no BW emblem. So that's badgeless. That's my badgeless version. I actually unscrew the rear emblem and take them out, fill the holes with paint filler, or how do you call this? I don't know, to like bondo for paint. So sand it and like that's it. So now my son will try the door. Try. Go ahead, try to open it. There you go. Now it's working. Close them up. There you go. It works every time. Good. That's what we want. All right. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.